Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. It's me Vineet and welcome to my YouTube channel Pie2Pay. Now in this video we are going to see a concept that is on slicing method. So this slicing method is very much useful to get the element from a list and also from string. Before going to see this method, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and if you like the video, share with your friends. So without wasting further time, let's see the default syntax for slicing operator. So this is the basic syntax of slicing method. You can perform this operation on list, tuple, arrays, string. So let's see how to do this on list first. So I am going to declare one list here that is of 5 elements 1 2 3 4 5. So if I want to print the whole list, I can just print list 1, otherwise I can give like this. So this is going to print the whole list. So if I want to print the list from first index, that is excluding 1 from the list 1. So if I want to print that, I just need to specify starting from index 1 until the end. Until the end. This is going to print 2 3 4 5 from the list by excluding 1 from a list. So after this, I want to print values that are present at 0th index, 2nd index and 4th index. I want to exclude this 2 and 4, that is I need to skip the next values after printing. So if I enter the step as 2, it's going to print 1 and skip this 2, and again it will print 3 and then it will skip 4 and then it will print 5. So how can you give step here? So it's given in a basic syntax here. I need to give step at last. So the step will be 2. So this statement is going to print the values 1 3 5 from list 1. So this empty space is to get the element until the last. If I want to print elements 3 2 1, that is in reverse order, first I need to print 3 then 2 and 1. So to do that, I need to enter list 1. So I need to enter the starting index, the 3 present at 2nd index, that I will enter here. Start from the 2nd index, go until the end, so that is to end of the list, and I need in a reverse order. So that's why I am entering -1. So this -1 goes in a reverse order. It starts from index 2 and goes in a reverse order and print 3 2 1. This will going to get me 3 2 1 from list. So if I want to print the whole list in a reverse order, that is I need to reverse the whole list. So then I just need to enter list 1 of -1. So this line of code is going to reverse the whole list. So that is it's going to print 5 4 3 2 1. Oh, fine. I have listed 3 questions here that I was witnessed in coding rounds. Take list 1, which is here, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and if you know the answer for these 3 questions, just pause the video here and write your answer in comment box below. So fine, let's move on. I have performed slicing operation on list, so you can perform slicing operation on string also. So the slicing operation works on string. If the string name is s, if I need to print ing from this string, so then I need to give the starting value, so that is 0 1 2 and 3. So if I enter this, it is going to get me ing from the string. Same as I explained in a list, the string also works in the same manner. Which are all the questions you can expect from this slicing method? So you already know palindrome. So this palindrome is a very basic and a very famous question in a programming language. If you are asked to find whether the given string is palindrome, or if you are asked to find whether the given number is palindrome, so it's a very simple. I will explain the code here for that. This can be done in a few steps. First you need to get the value from a user, that is input string. We are performing a palindrome operation here, so you need to check whether the given string is equal to reverse string or not. I will declare one variable to store the reversed string. So I can get the reverse string just by entering -1 here. So this line of code is going to reverse the whole string, and I need to check if the given string is equal to reverse string or not. If this equal, then I need to print given integer is a palindrome. So fine, else just print not palindrome. So that's it guys, this was a simple code. You just need to know how to slice a string or slice a list. I will just run this code and verify whether the code is working fine or not. If I give Malayalam, so it's need to print palindrome here, so it's printing palindrome. The code is working fine. There is nothing to verify here, the code is very simple. You guys may wonder, are the companies going to ask this type of silly question? So they don't ask this type of question in a coding rounds, but they are going to ask this type of question in MCQs. So you just need to know how the slicing operator work to answer those MCQs. That's why I have taken this topic to explain how the slicing works in list and even in string. This is it for this video. I will be back with another concept and another video. Until then, see you, bye.